So let's talk dentures. Why choose dentures? If you have missing teeth, you're not alone. Research shows that millions of Americans are missing at least one tooth due to injury, decay, genetics, or gum and bone disease. When you lose a tooth, surrounding teeth can shift, affecting how you talk and chew, and increasing the risk of future tooth loss. Visible gaps can also affect your self-confidence and self-esteem.
But there's a solution to replace missing teeth. Dentures are prosthetic devices that replace missing teeth to improve dental function and appearance. Custom cosmetic dentures are durable, lifelike, and cost-effective. They offer the same look, feel, and durability as natural teeth and are made to fit the shape and contour of your mouth.
Types of dentures. Different types of dentures are available depending on your dental needs and goals.
Partial dentures. If you're only missing a few teeth, partial dentures can replace these gaps. Removable partial dentures have metal clasps that attach to surrounding natural teeth, using them as anchors to keep the appliance in place. They are removed and cleaned daily.
If you prefer something more permanent, you can opt for fixed bridge partial dentures. These also attach to surrounding natural teeth but are cemented on either side of the gap. They may be more convenient because they always remain in the mouth. However, more extensive dental work is necessary to prepare the surrounding space to support them.
Full dentures. Full dentures, also known as traditional, conventional, and complete dentures, replace an entire arch of teeth for patients missing all their natural teeth in the upper or lower jaw. Made to resemble natural teeth and gums, these appliances rest on top of existing gums. Secured by suction and adhesives, these dentures are easily removed for cleaning.
Implant dentures. Implant dentures offer a bit more stability because they are anchored to titanium posts that have been surgically inserted into the jaw. These posts can act as replacement roots, creating a secure foundation for the dentures. You can treat implant dentures just like natural teeth by flossing and brushing them to keep them beautiful and bright.
Fixed or permanent implant retained dentures are only removed by your Thrive dentist. Removable versions are also available. Because they require fewer implant posts, they are a good option for patients with less jawbone density.
So you might be asking, what dentures are right for me? The right dentures for you depend on several factors, including the extent of tooth loss. Your options will vary depending on whether you're replacing a few or several teeth. Oral health, we assess bone density and gum health to determine if you are a candidate for implant-supported dentures. Fit and comfort. Properly fitted dentures should feel natural and allow you to eat and speak easily. Lifestyle. If you're more active or you don't want to remove and clean your prosthetic each night, you may prefer the convenience of implant retained dentures. And budget. Dentures are an investment in your smile and oral health. At your consultation, we'll discuss the cost of various options to find a denture treatment plan that aligns with your budget.
The ideal denture solution varies from patient to patient. At Thrive Dental, we are committed to finding the best treatment plan to replace missing teeth and renew your smile. Come in to see your options or contact your local dentist. Make sure to like and subscribe for more dental tips.